when they see my face, and a voice keeps saying, this is where I'm meant to be. I'll be there someday. I can go the distance, I will find my way. If I can be strong, I know every mile will be worth my while. When I go the distance, I'll be right where I belong. Down an unknown road to embrace my fate, though that road may wander, it will lead me to, and 1,000 would be worth the wait. It may take a lifetime, but somehow I'll see it through, and I won't look back. I can go the distance, and I'll stay on top. No, I won't accept defeat. It's an uphill slope, but I won't lose hope till I go the distance and my journey is complete. But to look beyond the glory is the hardest part, for our hero's death is measured by his heart. Of the far off plains, down an unknown road to embrace my like a shooting star, I will go the distance, I will search the world, I will face its odds. I don't care how far, I can go the distance till I find my heroes welcome waiting. Your I will search the world, I will face its hearts, till I find my heroes welcome waiting in your arms. This is the moment, this is the day, when I sent all my doubts and demons on their way. Every endeavor I have made ever is coming into play, is here and now today. This is the moment, this is the time, when the momentum and the moment are in rhyme. Give me this moment, this precious chance. I'll gather up my past and make some sense at last. This is the moment when all I've done, when all the dreaming, scheming and screaming become one. This is the day see sparkle and shine, when all I've lived for becomes mine. This is the moment, this is the time, when the momentum and the moment are in rhyme. Give me this moment, this precious chance. I'll gather up my past and make some sense at last. This is the moment, my final task. Destiny beckon, I never reckon second best. I won't pretend, I must not fall. This is the moment, the sweetest moment of them all. This is the moment.